Hey guys, okay, so this wig comes from UNice Hair Company. As you guys can see, I did bleach the knots, and I also went in and I already added like some face makeup to the lace to make it look more natural. All right, so let's get right into the styling. So this wig does come with combs in the unit, plenty combs, and also an adjustable strap. I like to adjust this strap to make my wig fit better, and in some cases you can even adjust that strap and you don't have to use any adhesive because sometimes the strap can make it fit very snug. All right, so I did go in and put some flex rods in my hair. If you guys like the way I did this, please leave some comments down below and I can make a dedicated video on this exact style. Okay, so now I'm just going in and cutting off the lace. As you guys can see, I'm being very careful while I cut the lace off, and I like to cut more lace off at first than too much, because you definitely can't get any lace back, but you can always cut off more if it's too much, if that makes any sense. So I'm going in with my favorite wig adhesive combo, which is the Got To Be gel and also the bed head spray. Together these two have a really strong hold. Like, it's stronger than any glue that I've ever used. Like, seriously, you're not gonna be able to get this off unless it gets wet, and you have to really wet it down. So I'm just going in with that. Now I'm going to lay a few baby hairs. This is optional. You definitely do not have to do this step. So with baby hairs, I just kind of freestyle everything. I go through and I cut little pieces with my razor comb, and I just go through and I just lay sparse little hairs. Like I said, you don't have to do this because I know a lot of people don't like to, but I think it just brings the look together, and a wig is only gonna look so natural in my opinion. So I feel like not only does baby hairs bring the look together, but it also makes the look it covers up the lace a little bit more to me. All right. Alright, so here guys, I am going to be widening my part. It's just a little too close together for me. I don't like super skinny parts, but if that's your thing, then hey, do you, that's your business. Okay, so you want to be careful when you are widening it, especially if you're doing the pull method, because you don't want to pull a hole in your lace. Alright, so now I'm just going in and I'm going to be picking my curls apart. You could also use like a claw comb, and I have one of those, but I just wanted to use my hand. And I'm going in with a little bit of mousse on top to tame flyaways so it won't be so hard at the top. You could go in with like a spritz or something, but I just wanted like a soft type of look. And this is pretty much the finished product, guys. Stay tuned for my in-depth review. Hey guys, all right, so you guys have pretty much already seen me style this wig. So the wig had already came pre-plucked, so there wasn't a whole lot to do, but I did go in, and you guys know I pretty much have to go in and pluck it to my hairline. I feel like everyone should do that. It is best if you put the wig on and take it off constantly as you pluck. That way you make sure you're not over plucking the wig, because once you pluck too much hair off, you cannot get it back. And you do want to make sure you're careful when plucking, because you do not want to pluck a hole in your unit. Okay, so this is what the end results look like. So in order to get your wig to be nice and natural, and to also lay some pretty good baby hairs, you want to make sure your unit is plucked properly. You want to make sure you thin out the hairline as much as you can to make it look natural, and to also lay some nice baby hairs. Now I did get these curls I curled it first with a curling one, and then I went in with just some regular, this has hair all on it, with some regular flexi rods just to hold the curls, and the curls came out great. All right, normally I use clips, but I'm going to start using flexi rods more often. This wig is super thick, and with it being curled, it's like even bigger. I pretty much like big hair anyways, so I am loving this, and I've been kind of playing with the curls, so it's looking a little frizzy now, but the curls are holding up pretty well as far as right now. But guys, I did curl the hair first, and then I added the flex rods, and then the flex rods set in the hair for like a day, so I wouldn't expect the curls to, you know, not last as long, being that I went through all those steps. But I will keep you guys guys updated. Okay, so I did go in and bleach my knots because the wig did not appear to be bleached. If it was bleached, it was bleached very, very lightly, but it didn't appear to be. Okay, so I went in with some 40 volume developer and bleached my knots. And I also widened my part a little bit. Now this is a frontal, so it is ear to ear. You can pull the wig up, you can pull the wig back, you can wear buns, you can wear ponytails, you can do braids, you can do all of that. This is the parting space. Okay, so this is going all the way back. I do kind of wish the parting space was just a little bit deeper, but I mean, it's not like a huge complaint or anything like that. So I am 5'7", and this hair falls pretty long on me. If it's stretched out, then it will come underneath my boobs. Okay, I think this is either a 26 inch or it's either 28 inches. The direct link to this wig and also all of the specs will be down below in a clickable link, so you can go straight to the link and check it out and things like that. But like I said, this wig is full. I haven't received a wig this full in a really long time. I don't think I told y'all where this hair came from, but this wig came from UNice Hair. And the boxes are messed up because obviously people don't care how they send packages. So yeah, it came from UNice Hair. I have reviewed for this company before and I have had a good experience. If you'd like to check out that video, just type in my name and then type in UNice and the other videos will come up. I think I touched all bases. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about these curls and about this wig. Have you ever tried UNice Hair Company? If so, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.